On the table today, that's right, new from Lego Speed Machines, the Time Machine from the Back to the Future. 357 pieces. I just found this like today. It was at the Walmart and there was only one. So we snagged it. It looks like you can do either or, like the original Time Machine or the flying one. You know, we're doing the flying one. Come on, people. Got like some cables there, some decals here. We got bag number one. Oh, looks like maybe the bottom of the car. Looks like we got like 5 bags. 5 bags. And a cool little book. But first, let's see if we can. All right, let's see if we can put Marty together over here. Marty. I'm guessing that's his head. I don't know which one's which. Here's Doc. You're the Doc, Doc. Oh, no. Doesn't he have like a wrench or something? Oh, well. Give him his crazy hair. For sure. Oh, we forgot to put Marty's super cool life preserver. What, this guy just jumped ship? Oh, where's his hair at? Oh, is it in another bag? Let's see if it's in this bag. There's some small stuff up in here. Oh, there it is. Oh, I thought I seen it yet. There's Doc's wrench. Come on, take. Hold the wrench. There's his hair. All right, Marty, you're not bald no more. I don't know, Doc. There we go. There we go. Oh, look at this. It's the keypad. All right, well, let's get going here. And this is bag number one. Let's go. All right, here we go. So we got the Back to the Future. We went with the Back to the Future 2, the flying DeLorean one. I got a little bit of video here of what it looks like with the Yeah. The other one has their original has the out of time license plate, and the other where they put the plutonium in. And actually, I put these on there just to make it look like it's kind of hovering. You see, you use these here, for the tires. And so here's my out of time, and this is obviously the whip that hits the light and hit the clock tower. And the only thing that was kind of upsetting about it was this little piece right here. It goes back in here somewhere, but it was like bag 1 or 2, and it said times 2. You put one here, you put one over here, and this one wasn't in the bag. One of them was, so I had some extra. I always got extra pieces, and just kind of made something. It ended up getting buried anyway. You can't see it. But then I got to like bag 3 or 4, and there it was. So maybe we'll take it apart one time, and do it. Put it back together the right way. Marty's got a something on his back for his back, but it doesn't show anything. It doesn't. I don't know. I don't know what goes back there. But anyway, this is a fun little build. Back to the Future. The 357 pieces. It's fun. It's got a lot of detail in the engine. It was pretty cool. Got the DeLorean sticker up front and in the back. I like the hover convention. So there you go. Totally worth it. This just came out. That'd be nice if they make the train. We're getting the train. It'd be nice if they made one with the when you put the different wheels on, when you had to go back to the Old West and everything. So that'd be cool if they made those tires you could throw on there. I like those tires. But that's it for now. Until next time.